Now, a lot of people think that wood is more expensive than composite because it's a natural product and composites are made of recycled products. But unfortunately, that is not true. Pressure-treated decking remains the cheapest product on the market today. The composites have really come down in price over the past few years, and their quality has significantly increased, but composites decking is still more expensive. Now, while the initial investment is higher for composite or PVC products, they're much cheaper over time because they do not require much maintenance. They require little maintenance, maybe cleaning with soap and water. So if you plan to maintain your deck, or if you're concerned about splintering, warping, and treating the wood so all these bad things don't happen to it, wood will become more expensive over time in a period of 3 to 5 years. So initial investment, wood is still going to be cheaper if we're talking about a basic wood like pressure-treated, but over time, composites will be cheaper. Now, if you think of woods like cedar, clear cedar, or ipe, they are more expensive than some composite products at the beginning. And so the initial investment is higher for the more premium wood types.